We all do it. We know what we should do, and we have the best intentions, but sometimes, well... Now, some things are just so easy and make so much sense that there's no reason not to do them, right? Like replacing those temperamental Energy Hog high bays in your manufacturing facility. Why wait when the IBG LED from Lithonia Lighting makes it easy to save energy? That's real money. And HID lighting can't be controlled like LED can. Reduce maintenance costs and downtime. From day one, HID just doesn't perform as well as LED, and it just keeps getting worse. Aside from the maintenance hassle, what more does poor lighting cost you? So what should you do? Replace your old traditional high bays with the energy-efficient, configurable IBG LED from Lithonia Lighting. Report out on your operations metrics, modestly collect your praise, then you can get back to the other list of things you should be doing. Visit lithonia.com to learn more about how the IBG LED can deliver real results for your manufacturing operation.